Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see this comes with the 2 key fobs. We can operate the power sliding doors, power trunk control. We've also got the auto start, keyless entry. So very nice features to have. They can also be closed from inside the van. It has a manual ramp, very easy to operate, brand new conversion. I can do this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. This is a good design. These clamps keep the ramps from rattling. The ones that turn in the middle and they slide in the middle, those are going to rattle. You're going to regret it, I promise you. This is a great design. It's got a handle on the driver's side, handle on the passenger side. Look here, I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. 34 inches wide, tapers 32 inches at the bottom. It's got 8 tie down points. So you can tie up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Headliner looks to be in great shape. Got the rear air controls, plenty of cup holders in the rear. Between those front 2 seats, 26 inches of room, or 21 inches of room, I'm sorry. If you need more room, we can put more narrow seats in there. We can put flip base seats in there. Tell me what you need. Let us build this van to accommodate what you need, because of course, not all customers, not all wheelchairs, they're not all created equal in size. So sometimes we need to make some adjustments. The dash is in great shape. This is virtually a brand new van with only 3,300 miles on it. Steering wheel control, so you can keep your eye on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control. It's got a real nice slick center console there. See the stitching in the leather seats. Just a very clean van. Quite a few options on it. And when you get everybody tied down, secured, and we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. Come back out, look there, 1 finger. So easy to do. Get it all the way up there. Just like so. If you decide you want to shut the ramp or the door hatch there. Also, let's say you're going to use this van for a possible taxi or for commercial use. You can operate all the doors up here, or you can turn them off, and these all become manual. So while I've got the door open, super clean seats. We'll do a quick walk around to the van. You can see they slide shut. As I do a walk around on the van, it's got the alloy wheels. Tires are darn near brand new, 3,300 miles on them. Got the tinted windows in the rear. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Super clean van, hard to find a dent or scratch on it. New, these cost about $38,000. You can save quite a bit of money by buying one in darn near brand new condition with 3,300 miles on it. Super clean body. This is a very rare color. This kind of, I guess I'd call it a royal blue. Whoever had it's taken care of it. And you ask me, who's selling a van with only 3,300 miles on it? A lot of times these rental car companies, especially lately with COVID, the rental traveling has been down. They've got a lot of inventory they've had to sell off. So unfortunately, their loss is our gain. We find a lot of these vehicles with very low miles from the leasing companies, the rental car companies. We always show you the VIN number so you know we're selling the van we say we're selling. Got the power driver's seat. Works great. Like I said, it's got the two key fobs. Current miles, 3,321 miles. Go to fire it up. Fires up first time, every time. Radio works. No dummy lights, no check engine, none of that. Like I said, the backup camera there. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, idles smoothly. Everything looks great. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks. No signs of any abnormal rust or any water damage. This is exactly what we're looking for. This van comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Dodge. A 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Dodge. And the conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. I apologize. Very clean underneath. No signs of any rust. No signs of any damage from an accident. And that's the number one mistake people make when buying a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume, oh, it's only got 3,300 miles on it. Or they assume it's in great shape. It's a 2019. They assume because the salesman was nice, and they assume that it's not all rusted out. They assume it hasn't been in an accident. A lot of these places buy these vehicles from auction or from insurance companies that have been in an accident. The insurance doesn't claim the accident, so they can sell it for more. The customers, the people buy it and fix it up and sell it. So just a lot of scandal going on out there. That's why we get down on my hands and knees. I'm showing you what's going on with this van. I want you to know. I don't want you to have to assume things. People get burnt on the internet, taken advantage of every day. Don't be one of them. If someone's going to ask you to pay $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more for a mobility van, and they won't get off their behind and get outside and make you a video, well, buyer beware. Who you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? We've tested all the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, backup camera, everything on this air conditioning, heat. We've tested it all. We've made sure it works. We don't assume that it works. We know that it works. So let me get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on the highway so you can hear them run, you can hear the engine run, you can feel the transmission shift, and you know you don't have to assume this van runs and drives good. You know it does. So whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, you know we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. It'll get up and go. Gets up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. You see the steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not bouncing back and forth. That's exactly what we want. And look, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. I would invite you to check their ratings with the Better Business Bureau, compare their ratings and what people said about them online compared to ours. You know, on our Google review page, people say a lot of great things about us. You know, used vehicle shopping is hard enough. Don't do it with a shyster. You're going to be having problems just like everybody else had. I promise you, you don't want that. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have one nice price online. Then when you factor in the $500 fees they don't tell you about, or $1,000, $1,200 in they call them administrative fees, document fees, tag fees. These fees are no different than just trying to hide money on the back end, trying to make you think you're getting a good deal. And oh, by the way, we've got this fee. Everybody does it. No, everybody doesn't do it. That's just a line they're trying to feed you. Then when you factor in, you got shipping. All of a sudden, their price with all our fees and their shipping jump $2,000 or $3,000. So, gonna give it a nice hard brake here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises or vibrations. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And when I go back to the competition, I'm out here making these videos for you. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I know in a day and age with COVID, and we're trying to be socially distant, and just a day and age where people are buying online a lot, this is how it's done a lot of times. You buy a vehicle you've never seen, but I want you to be confident in this. I want you to look at our ratings, look and see what people had to say about us, that we're shooting them straight. Look at our videos. If there's anything else you need to see about this van, whether it be pictures or video, I'll be more than happy to get it for you. Don't be shy. Feel free to ask me. Also, when you call the competition, you're going to talk to a used car salesman. That used car salesman, they're probably not going to be working there in a month or two. They'll probably be chasing that commission check somewhere else. I'm the owner of the company. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want you to repeat business. I care what you say about us. I want you to refer your neighbor to us, your friends. And I want you to buy from us next time you need a van or a vehicle. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, call the competition. I'm sure they would love to talk to you. If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, if that's more how you like to communicate, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. I want you to ask the competition. Ask them if they care about customer service enough and commitment to satisfaction to give you the owner's cell phone number. Tell me how that works out. Talk to one of those big companies. Ask for the owner's cell phone number. Good luck. Also, we do have financing available. We can send you a credit application online. We can take one over the phone. We can send one over to your email. So whatever's easiest for you, let us know how we can help. If you ever are going to come in, please always make an appointment with us. Sometimes I'm not doing things like this. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Once again, my name is Jeremiah, and as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.